Full stack developer versus front-end developer versus back-end developer. Developer career paths explained. Introduction. When someone says, I want to become a developer, the next question is, front-end, back-end, or full stack? These roles sound similar, but they focus on very different parts of an application. In this video, we'll clearly explain what each role does, skills and responsibilities, career paths, and which developer role is right for you. Let's start from the basics. Big picture overview. Every application has three layers: user interface, business logic, data, and service. Front-end developers work on what users see. Back-end developers work on logic and data. Full-stack developers work on both. 1. Front-end developer. The UI builder. Front-end developers build user interfaces. They focus on how the application looks and feels. Daily responsibilities include building web pages, ensuring responsive design, improving user experience, integrating APIs. Key skills: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, Vue. UI, UX basics, best suited for people who like design plus logic, enjoy visual feedback, care about user experience. 2. Back-end developer. The logic engine. Back-end developers handle server-side logic. They ensure data is processed securely and efficiently. Daily responsibilities include API development, database management, authentication and authorization, performance optimization. Key skills: Java, Python, Node.js, databases, SQL, NoSQL, security and scalability. This role fits people who like logic and problem solving, enjoy system design, prefer less UI work. 3. Full stack developer. The all-rounder. Full stack developers work on both front-end and back-end. They understand the complete application lifecycle. Daily responsibilities include building end-to-end features, coordinating between UI and back-end, debugging across layers. Key skills: front-end plus back-end technologies, APIs and databases, deployment basics, best for people who want versatility, enjoy learning multiple technologies, like ownership of features. 4. Career growth and salary potential. Front-end right pointing arrow, senior. Front-end right pointing arrow, UI architect. Back-end right pointing arrow, senior. Back-end right pointing arrow, solution architect. Full stack right pointing arrow, tech lead. Right pointing arrow, engineering manager. Full stack roles often offer faster early career growth. 5. Which role should you choose? Choose front-end if you love UI and interaction. Choose back-end if you love logic and data. Choose full stack if you want flexibility and ownership. Conclusion. Voiceover. Great developers don't start perfect, they start focused. Choose one role, master it, and grow forward.